Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's just Olivia Lewis, and today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing. I know in my last videos they were a bit long, so I'm trying to make this as short and as spicy and sweet as possible. Alright, so before we do that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so I can give you guys more content. The more you subscribe is the more I know that you guys like what I'm giving you. Or comment and give me video ideas if you, I don't know, if you feel like that. But anyway, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what I'm going to be unboxing today is the Boxycharm subscription service. And essentially, I'm not sure if you guys saw that. Essentially what it is just a makeup service that you can subscribe to, and they say they give you full-size products. So I think it's makeup and skincare. This is my first time, so I don't really know what exactly their whole thing is about, but I did take a peek in this box, but I didn't open the products, okay? So, or swatch them or anything. So we're gonna do that together. All right, so when you open the box, it just comes like this. Oops. Right there. Hopefully you guys can see that. And it comes with a little, I guess a little card that it tells you on the back all the things that you guys, that they sent you, right? They have like a tag that you can follow or whatever, but I'm not gonna do that. Okay, so let's just jump straight into it. So the first thing that I'm gonna look at is The Queen, it's called, by Eloise, and it looks like this. It's a makeup palette with 20 pigments and in 4 stunning textures, 8 buttery mattes, 6 shimmers, 1 pressed pearl, and 4 metallics, and 1 duochrome topper. So we're gonna see what that is. All right. So packaging is pretty. Reminds me of another eyeshadow palette that I've seen somewhere before. So these are the colors. They're quite pretty actually. Well, they're pretty in the palette. Let's swatch. Let me see which one I will swatch today. Let's do Amina. That's the one down here. Amina. Okay. It's not bad, not bad. Well, the payoff is good. Let's look at their buttery shimmers. Or I'm gonna swatch Your Highness, which is this one right here. And I'm also gonna swatch Monarch, which is this one right here, and see how they look, because I might use those too. Oh, it is buttery. I can say that was buttery. So this one is Your Highness right here. Hopefully you guys can see it, or like that. This one is Your Highness, the second one, and the last one on my hand is Monarch. And Your Highness is really buttery. I can say that. Actually, I think I'm gonna use this palette. So the next thing that they sent me was this daily dose of Uplift and Smooth, and it says it's a cocktail of collagen and coenzyme Q10 and hyaluronic acid made into a serum, I guess, for your skin. So on the back it says that you can use this for anti-aging and to help give you smoother and firmer and younger looking skin. Well, we'll see. I'm just gonna use it right now because I need to put something on my face. Ooh, comes like this in the little thing. It's stuck. Oh, I think they had a little thing right there. Oh, that's so cute. That is actually really, really cute. That's beautiful. Look at that when you shake it. Okay. All right. Let's see how it makes me look. Ooh. Okay. Let's rub this in. Ooh. Hopefully it dries down, because I'm not not feeling. Okay, so that did dry down. That was beautiful. I don't know if it will do anything. My skin does feel cool and soft, but that's about it. All right, so the next thing that they gave me was Murad. And this is supposed to be a City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. So I'm guessing this is just something that you put on your skin in the night, right before you go to bed. There you go. Comes in this. It looks just like a typical box. Nothing too special about it. Let's see. Ooh. Okay, this is out of the ordinary. So it doesn't have like a pump. Well, it looks like it's a pump, but I think it's like a different type of pump. Wait, let me just open it. Oh, okay, I was trying to screw it off. Okay, 1 second. So it doesn't have a strong smell. And I hate moisturizers that smell all chemically and stuff. I think you have to like squeeze it this way, but I'm not gonna do that right now because I'm not gonna use it. But I think that's what you do. All right, let's put that back. And the other thing that we got was this liquid lip gloss from Mellow. It's not what I have on my lips right now. Right now I have the Burt's Bees lip gloss on. Really, ooh, I hate when these things are so hard to take off. Anyway, it comes in a box like this. And this is the lip gloss. All right, we're gonna swatch this, see what. Smells okay, and it's quite thick. So that's the lip gloss right there. It's quite thick actually. Might have to wear a lip liner with this one. And then the other thing that we got is another eyeshadow palette, I believe. Cab Cosmetics. And it's called Day+night. Ooh, it's hard to pull. Ah! Ooh. 1 second. So here are the colors. I don't think I'm gonna use anything from here, but I'm gonna swatch their brown, their cocoa, because that's like my favorite color in any palette. I'm gonna swatch their cocoa and their Stella. So I'm gonna swatch one of their mattes and then a shimmer. So I'm gonna swatch shimmer right here. Let's try it further on my hand. Okay. So that's their cocoa. If you guys can see that. And that's their Stella right there on my wrist. Not as bright as I thought it would be. Let me try their Starlight, which is this color right here. Okay. Oh, use a different finger. Yeah, that's just like a shimmery color. That's nice. Okay. And the last thing that I am going to show you guys is it's like a shadow, a liquid shadow, they say. 1 second, because I've never used one of these. So it says it's a liquid eyeshadow that has shade shifting, color flipping pigments. It creates an instant multi-chrome effect on the lids, blending seamlessly into a multi-tonal look in just one simple step. The color appears to change as light reflects off the contours of the eyelid and eye crease. All right, so this was the box. This is the box that I'm gonna put it back into. I'm guessing the outside is just a preview of what this actually is, and this is how it looks in the actual little thing. It looks like almost like a lip gloss capsule, but like I don't know, should I like Okay, so what I did was the top one I'm gonna show you, I used my finger to blend it out a little bit, and I think some came off on my finger. But the other one at the bottom, I just swiped it. And as you can see, when you do move it, it does kind of change. I can see pink, green, purple. That's kind of cool. Because if you were doing like a lid color and you didn't want to do anything, you just swipe that on, boom. That's a look. All right, so that's it for the actual products that came in. But while I'm putting them back together, I am just going to tell you about my experience. Now, the experience is totally, like, I actually don't mind, and I have another box coming because I forgot to take my card off the website fast enough. I don't know why. I don't know why they save it, because I only said 1 month, but I guess like a monthly subscription, so it doesn't care. Like, I guess 1 month probably means like 1 box per month, but I took it as just 1 month. But if you don't take your card off, then the subscription will continue. But my experience with them is like, it's not the best. Like, they have no customer service. Like, even I wrote their customer service a week ago and I still haven't gotten a reply. So the customer service is very lacking. They don't have good customer service. Well, I don't think they have any customer service. There is no number you can call. There is no direct email that you can email. You have to go through a bot, and then the bot will tell you like, oh, pick from these options, and the options are really scanty. So it's frustrating in itself. So the experience that I had with them was very bad, but I don't mind. I'm just gonna take the boxes that they give me, and I took my card off it. Would I recommend someone else to get this? I would not. Only because I would only tell you to do something like this if you don't know anything about makeup and you just want like a few starters that, you know, you might not get or might not want to purchase like from the store at full price. If you want that, go for it. But these aren't like the brands that they're sending you. They aren't like freaking I wouldn't even say like Maybelline, because Maybelline isn't that big of a thing, but like NARS or Lacombe or whatever they call that. Like it's not, they're not like big brands. It's not Fenty, it's not anything like that. It's not like big brands that will cost like $80, $70 to purchase, right? Probably this would probably retail at probably like $30. I'm not sure, right? Actually, I'm gonna look up all these products and I'm gonna link how much they actually cost below. It may be worth it if it's your first time doing makeup and you just want to build your your arsenal of makeup or whatever. But if you have a lot of makeup, this subscription isn't gonna work for you. Yeah, but the boxing is pretty, and it's not that much money. If you really just want to build your makeup, right? If you already have makeup, I wouldn't say go for this, because it's so random the things that they actually put on there. Because I didn't tell them that I wanted any lip gloss. I specifically said skincare and makeup, but like all I got was eyeshadow and lip gloss. Like, I don't see, well, in my mind, if you're gonna give me makeup, give me one eyeshadow, even a primer, a concealer, like a foundation, something like that. You give me like a bowl to choose of the same thing. Like, you gave me, like, for this box, I got 2, 4, so 6 things. I got 6 things, and I got 2 lip gloss, 2 skincare, and 2 eyeshadow, right? What if I only wanted 1 box? So if you're gonna stick with this service, probably down the line you'll get like foundations and such, but just for off the bat, I wouldn't just pick it if you just wanna, but if you want to stick with it, maybe, I don't know, I'm not sure. I haven't watched any tutorials or unboxing the Boxycharm, but I will do now because I'm just like disappointed. But anyway, guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.